Ladies and gentlemen, our director, John Kenneth De Leon.
Magandang umaga po sa inyong lahat. So sasabihin ko, I just want to direct your attention to the poster. Napakasimple lang po ng poster natin this year. It has two colors, maroon and gold. Maroon because the color of UP is maroon. In a way, after 35 years, and I think we've done it even before, in a way, this positions Live Aids as when it comes to comedy, when it comes to UP comedy, Live Aids po ang batayan. Ibig sabihin, ang Live Aids, ang brand of humor niya ay very University of the Philippines. Ito po ay irreverent, clever, and it's grounded on truth and empathy. We don't punch down, we don't make fun of the disenfranchised. In fact, we punch up because in a way, that is a critique to the society. That is how we want to position ourselves. We don't make fun of something just because it's funny. It becomes bullying. In fact, we are in the process of informing people or giving them some points to think about in a way that is funny. And then the second color is gold because again, we are celebrating the 50 years of UP sa MASCOM. And if you look back, well, hindi pa po ako buhay noon, pero 50 years ago, there was a time in our country kung saan bawal kang magkwento ng mga bagay na hindi sang-ayon sa mga nasa itaas, na kapag nagkwento ka, ito ay pwede kang mapahamak, pwede kang makulong, or pwede may mangyari sa pamilya ninyo. And because of the fearlessness of many people, we were able to get that freedom back. We are able to tell that story. We are able to tell stories again. But now, 2025, we still have a communication crisis na pwede tayo magkwento. Pero anong klaseng kwento ba nakikita natin online? Marami, hindi naman kaila sa atin na laganap pa rin ang mga fake news or misleading news. And in a way, that is also something that we want to highlight. Na, okay, sige, ang dami-daming kwento, ang dami-daming stories dyan. Makikisaw-saw, ika nga ang Live Aids at magbibigay din kami ng sarili namin version ng katotohanan na gusto namin katotohanan nagpapalaya at magpapalaya sa bayan. For me po, a Live Aids is more than just a show, and in a way, it's a platform for free and creative expression. Kaya po, we're very excited to mount this. Everyone's gearing up, and we hope you join us in celebrating this year's installment. Yun lang po.
Alright, maraming salamat, Direk Ken. At yun, you've now heard the stories of our panelists. Paano sila